Hello, everyone. Teacher Kevin here from the Speak English with Kevin podcast. Great to be back with you. Just a quick few minutes on the whiteboard. Be sure and catch my podcast every Sunday. It comes out 2 p.m. Ho Chi Minh City time right here in Vietnam. So be sure and see that. And also periodically, I bring these whiteboards to you for some extra knowledge. So my podcast listeners, I urge you to get on YouTube and get the video. Watch the video so you can get this information. Now today, just a little bit of fun, but still some good info. Today we're looking at 10 unusual American slang phrases. Now if you go to the West, especially America, I guarantee you, you're going to hear some, if not all of these phrases. Now you're going to look at them and think, I have no idea what that means. We're going to clear that up right now. Let's look at number one. Number one, it's raining cats and dogs. It's raining cats and dogs. What does that mean? In American slang, that means it's pouring down. It's raining very hard. It's raining very hard. It's raining cats and dogs. It's a slang saying in America that you'll hear quite often. Let's look at number two. Go the extra mile. Go the extra mile. Now, what does that mean? That is the same as saying do some extra effort. Do a little more to reach your goal. Go the extra mile, okay? That's American slang. These are American slang phrases. You'll see these. Let's look at number three. Let the cat out of the bag. Let the cat out of the bag. What in the world does that mean? Well, it's kind of like telling someone's secret, or maybe letting something out that you weren't supposed to let come out, okay? Don't let the cat out of the bag. You'll see that. Number four, pull someone's leg. Don't pull my leg. Pull someone's leg. What does that mean? I think that means that's in reference to maybe telling a lie. Don't tell me a lie. Don't tell me a story. Hey, don't pull my leg. Don't pull my leg. You'll see that in the West. Number five, fish out of water. That boy looked like a fish out of water out there. What does that mean? Fish out of water means it doesn't look right, okay? It doesn't look right to me. Looks like a fish out of water. Now, if you can imagine that, a fish in its natural state swimming in the water, everything's good, everything makes sense. Take that fish out of water, and it no longer makes sense. It no longer looks good. That's what that means. The boy looked like a fish out of water, okay? Number six, a snowball's chance in hell. I personally guarantee you're going to hear this one, because you will hear someone say, hey, I'm going to climb Mount Everest. I'm going to climb Mount Everest. Well, somebody else will say, son, you don't have a snowball's chance in hell of climbing Mount Everest, okay? That means there's no way it's going to happen. You don't have a snowball's chance in hell. So you'll see that in America. Let's go to our next one, number seven. Barking up the wrong tree. Barking up the wrong tree. You've heard that before. I think he's barking up the wrong tree. That means he's saying it wrong. He's not making sense. It's not right. He's barking up the wrong tree, okay? Number eight, hit the sack. Oh, I'm tired. I'm going to hit the sack. In the West, in America, in Ohio, where I come from, we speak like that all the time. There's been a lot of nights when I get up and I'll tell everybody, hey, good night. I'm going to hit the sack. I'm tired. It means going to bed. Going to sleep, hit the sack, okay? Let's look at this one, number nine. When pigs fly. Number nine, when pigs fly. That sounds crazy. Well, that's the same as saying, I don't think that's ever going to happen. There's no way that's going to happen. Again, someone comes up and tells you, hey, I'm going to climb Mount Everest next week. Your response, my response would probably be, yeah, when pigs fly. In other words, it's not going to happen. It's not going to happen, okay? And our last one, 10 Sitting on the fence. Sitting on the fence. What does that mean? Well, you'll hear it. Someone will say, well, someone will ask you, well, what's your opinion of those two politicians? Which one would you be inclined to vote for? I would say, well, I'm not sure. Right now, I'm kind of sitting on the fence. Sitting on the fence. Now, if you picture a fence with somebody sitting on it, okay, they could go either way, yes? They could go either way. That's what that means. I'm sitting on the fence. I'm not sure yet which direction I'm going, but I'll figure it out. So, hey, there you go. A little bit of fun today, right? Okay. Good stuff. It's raining cats and dogs. Go the extra mile. Let the cat out of the bag. Pull someone's leg. Fish out of water. A snowball's chance in hell. Barking up the wrong tree. Hit the sack. When pigs fly. And sitting on the fence. 10 very unusual to you American slang phrases, but in the West and in the United States, we say these all the time. It's a part of English language, okay? So we need to know some of them. That's why I bring you 10 today. Put them in your notebook, put them back, look at them periodically, because if you go to America, you will be hearing slang phrases like this. There's many more, but this is just 10, okay? So, all right. Hope you're having a great day. Thank you for watching. Be sure and listen to my podcast every Sunday, the Speak English with Kevin podcast, 2 p.m. Ho Chi Minh City time. Get on YouTube, get this video so you get the whiteboard knowledge. 2 or 3 of these a week, maybe more. I'm feeling pretty motivated. I want you to learn. We're going up 2 levels on the IELTS by the end of the year. Thank you guys. I'll see you next time.